So Keith, we're in my favorite part of the whole factory now, the overview catwalk, if you will, of final assembly, where boats start to look like boats, all the pretty things happen. The final, maybe most important 10%, putting everything together, all the components on the boat, all the options. This is where your boat starts to look like your boat. What can you tell me about how you keep this place so organized and it just looks like everything's got a place and is rolling right down the line to getting ready to go to the customer?
Well, the first thing you'll notice, Lee, when we come in, there's really 4 lines coming down. The big boats are on the far 2, the smaller boats are on these 2 here. When I say smaller, 31 foot and smaller on these 2, or 35 and larger on those 2 there. When we look at the back of the shop, we see the big parts coming in. Those big liners, those hulls, and the decks and stuff that we talked about earlier, they're all coming in and going together, and they slowly start looking more and more like a boat. And as you see, once they get to this point here about the middle of the shop, engines are typically on them, consoles, T-tops, that kind of stuff are mostly on them. We see that boat over there in the big line is getting its console put on right now, and they make their way forward as we continue to clean and do more stuff. We have about a boat a day actually leave here, is what our roughly thing is. So that means the 17 or 18 boats you see in here now, in the next 17 days, every one of these will be gone, and a new 17 boats will be in here. So the turnover is very, very quick as they work their way all the way down through.
Yeah, the factory tour, this is a great place to come and just stand in awe for a few minutes and just see everybody buzzing around, and it's really like the boats are really starting to come together here. They're final wipe downs, putting windows in, buttons, the whole 9 yards. This is, like I said, my favorite part of the whole factory.